This is a very special comb. This is a laser therapy, like a laser comb, basically. It does red light and blue light, and they both do something technically different, right? I love the fact that also they add a little bit of vibration. So if you are getting kind of like that massage of the follicles, if you really want to treat the scalp, you can do that with this as well. What they do suggest before you even turn it on, run the comb on your scalp to see if it is comfortable to your scalp, to the touch. Obviously, you don't want any discomfort. And then you can turn it on. There are two buttons. Literally, the on button, you just follow, and look at this. I hope you can see this. You do see the really cool red light, and you've got the really cool, I'm hoping you guys can see this. Look at that blue light, right? So two different things that you need to know. There are intensities on here as well, and there is vibration. Now, it's really hard for me to show you vibration, but as you can imagine, all of these little kind of like tooth combs right there are vibrating, and the whole thing is vibrating on my scalp. It actually feels really, really nice. Kind of displacing the follicles and the hair, so that light can actually do its job. So the red light is both lights are promoting healthy scalp and healthy hair. The red light is more focused on the hair itself, and the blue light will actually more focus on the scalp itself. So that's something that I did not know. If you are wondering if it is hot, no, it is not hot. It is not hot at all for the skin. I could leave it like this with the red, as you can see, and there's zero issues whatsoever. I can go onto the blue, and the same applies. There is no type of sensitivity that way. But yeah, I love the fact that it is fully portable. It does come with a USB cable to charge this thing. Very easy to bring anywhere you are. So if you are traveling, you don't have to miss a single treatment. And treatments are literally a few times a week for a few minutes a week, and that's your treatment there, whether it's the blue, the red, or both blue and red light therapy. I think it's fantastic. It's super lightweight as well. It's great.